HoloTutor is a visual AI tutoring platform that teaches the way great teachers do, through questioning, demonstration, and guided discovery. Schools upload their own lesson plans and curriculum materials with a single click. HoloTutor transforms that content into a structured lesson library fully owned by the institution. Students are guided by an AI-powered avatar instructor, teaching on a virtual whiteboard, drawing diagrams, displaying charts, and referencing videos and images in real time. Rather than giving answers, the platform uses a Socratic approach that asks questions, encourages reflection, and helps students think through problems step by step. HoloTutor combines large language models, avatar rendering, and a proprietary lesson structuring engine built for education. Because lessons are generated once and reused across unlimited students, the platform operates at a fraction of the cost of traditional AI tutoring systems. The result is a scalable, curriculum-aligned platform that gives schools control over their content while delivering personalized visual instruction to every learner. Already active in more than 30 schools and used by homeschool families nationwide, with updates shipping twice monthly based on educator feedback. HoloTutor isn't just an idea for the future of learning, it's delivering it today.